Hey viewers, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a colorful text reveal effect in Canva. This eye-catching effect can make your designs pop and grab your audience's attention. Let's get started. Go to Create a Design button at the top right corner of the Canva. Choose your preferred dimensions or select a pre-made template. For this tutorial, we'll use a custom size of 800 by 600 pixels. Now go to Text and type your text. And duplicate text again and again. Then choose your favorite text color. I choose this one. And lastly this one. Now, I select all the text and go to the Position option. First, I arrange the text in the middle alignment, then set it to center. Now click on the Animate button in the top menu. And choose an animation style that suits your design. I choose Rise Animation for this tutorial. Adjust the animation duration and direction as needed. Now I change its background and adjust it. Once you're happy with your design, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Then select Download option. Select your preferred file format. And click Download to save your design to your computer. Bingo! You've successfully created a colorful text reveal effect in Canva. Use this effect to make your designs pop and grab attention. Thanks for watching.